You're asking why your 1.5 turbo Civic is stumbling on cold starts and throwing misfire codes, even after you've used a fuel system cleaner. That bottle of cleaner can't solve this. The problem isn't in your fuel injectors. Your engine uses direct injection, which sprays fuel right into the cylinder. It never washes over the back of the intake valves like older engines did. At the same time, your engine's ventilation system is pulling oil vapor out of the crankcase and feeding it back into the intake. When that hot, oily mist hits the back of the hot intake valves, it bakes on, layer by layer. Over time, it forms a thick, hard crust of carbon. This is a predictable result of the design, and it usually becomes a problem between 40,000 and 60,000 miles. This carbon buildup acts like a sponge, disrupting the smooth airflow your engine needs for a clean, stable burn, especially when it's cold. That's what's causing your rough idle and triggering those misfire codes, whether it's a general P0300 or one for a specific cylinder like P0301 or P0304. The only way to fix it is to remove the deposits mechanically. We have to take the intake manifold off to get direct access to the valves. Then, we use a media blaster with fine crushed walnut shells to scour the valves clean. The shells are hard enough to strip the carbon, but soft enough not to damage the metal. No chemical you pour in the tank can do this job. Now, there's a second, and frankly more serious issue with this L15B7 engine you have to watch for: fuel dilution. This is when raw gasoline gets past the piston rings and mixes with your engine oil. On these turbo direct injection engines, especially if you do a lot of short trips, the engine doesn't always get hot enough to burn all the fuel cleanly. Some of it washes down the cylinder walls and seeps into the oil pan. We've seen oil analysis on these engines show fuel content far above the normal 5% warning limit. This is a much bigger threat to your engine's life than the carbon. Gas is a solvent, not a lubricant. When it thins out your oil, that oil film can't properly protect bearings, camshafts, or the turbo. This causes accelerated wear. So here's what you do. First, after a drive, pull your oil dipstick or cap and smell it. A strong odor of gasoline means you have a problem. Second, you must change your oil more frequently. Do not follow the maintenance minder. You need to get that contaminated oil out every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, using a quality full synthetic that meets the API-SP specification. That's your only real defense against long-term damage. Ignoring the carbon costs you fuel economy, but ignoring fuel dilution can cost you an engine.